Welcome to your journey towards financial independence. Today, we're exploring the exciting world of your first savings goal. This isn't just about money. It's about building a foundation for your future aspirations and achieving true financial freedom. Imagine the pride and practical benefits of reaching your financial milestones. It all starts with that very first step. So, what's your dream? A new gadget? A thrilling trip? Or perhaps a down payment for something bigger? Let's define it. To make your goal achievable, it needs to be smart. First, be specific. What exactly do you want to save for? Next, make it measurable. How much money do you need? Set a clear numerical target. Is it achievable? Consider your current income and expenses. Is this goal realistic for you right now? Ensure it's relevant. Does this goal align with your values and long-term aspirations? Does it truly matter to you? Finally, make it time-bound. Set a deadline for when you want to achieve your goal. This creates urgency. Goals can be short-term, like saving for a new phone in a few months. These are great for building momentum. Medium-term goals might be a car down payment within a year or two. They require a bit more planning. And long-term goals, like a house or retirement, span many years. These are your big dreams. Visualize your goal vividly. See yourself achieving it. This powerful mental image keeps you motivated. Break your goal into smaller, manageable steps. Each small win builds confidence and makes the journey less daunting. Now, let's create a plan. Start by tracking your expenses. Where does your money really go each month? Identify areas where you can cut back without feeling deprived. Small adjustments can make a big difference. Set a realistic timeline for your savings. A clear deadline helps you stay on track and motivated. Consider the 50-30-20ths rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. It's a simple guide. Or try zero-based budgeting, where every dollar has a job. This gives you complete control over your money. Utilize expense tracking apps. Many free tools can help you monitor your spending effortlessly. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account each payday. Join saving challenges like the 52-week challenge, where you save a small amount each week, gradually increasing it. Open a dedicated savings account for your specific goal. This helps you avoid dipping into it for other expenses. Explore high-yield savings accounts. They offer better interest rates, helping your money grow faster. Consider certificates of deposit, or CDs, for money you won't need for a set period. They offer fixed returns. For long-term goals, look into basic investment options. Even small amounts can compound over time. Find actionable tips to reduce discretionary spending without feeling deprived. It's about smart choices, not sacrifice. Boost your income with side hustles. Turn a hobby into extra cash or offer a skill for freelance work. Invest in skill development. Learning new skills can open doors to higher paying opportunities and accelerate your savings. Challenges will arise. Unexpected expenses or temptations to spend are common. Don't let them derail you. Stay motivated by reminding yourself of your goal. Revisit your visualization and the why behind your savings. Be flexible. If life throws a curveball, adjust your plan. It's okay to modify your timeline or savings amount. Celebrate small victories along the way. Acknowledge your progress, no matter how small, to keep spirits high. Perseverance is key. Keep going, even when it's tough. Your future self will thank you. Build an emergency fund. This financial safety net protects your savings goal from unexpected costs. Overcome instant gratification. Delaying pleasure now leads to greater rewards later. Focus on the long-term gain. Find an accountability partner or use financial tracking apps. Support and tools can make a huge difference. The moment has arrived. A triumphant watercolor animation of your goal being achieved. Feel that immense pride, or perhaps you're finally embarking on that dream trip, the destination coming to life before your eyes. This feeling of accomplishment is invaluable. You've learned discipline, planning, and financial literacy. Celebrate responsibly. Enjoy your achievement without derailing your future financial plans. You've earned it. Now set new, bigger goals. Continue your journey of financial growth and education. The possibilities are endless. Remember the key steps. Define your goal, create a plan, overcome challenges, and achieve your dreams. Visualize a bright future, financial freedom, and continuous personal growth. It's all within your reach. Start your savings journey today and unlock your financial potential. What's your first savings goal? Share it and begin your path to success. Subscribe for more financial tips and resources.